everyone, I'm Dixon Sylvan. Welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I want to apologize to all my viewers and subscribers for not posting videos over a long period of time. Primarily, it's because of the pandemic situation we are all right now in. Hope you guys are all safe from the virus. Another reason was I had been shifting places. As you can see behind me, we have a new workspace set up for my future projects. We also have a 3D printer right behind me, which was provided by the Element 14 community. Speaking about Element 14 community, they have given me a Raspberry Pi camera kit for my proposal. So that will be the topic of today's video. Let's jump right into it. Hello everyone, I'm Dixon Sylvan and I make videos on electronic projects, road test reviews, DIY and more. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video.